Budweiser. That might be a good place to start this YouTube video. Two major things. One, shout out Garrett, because obviously this is not a KLX. Dude, I wonder if he'll do one. Oh, he did one, kind of. Anyway, shout out Garrett. I need practice on a Grom. And Garrett is wanting to get a supermoto, so he is gonna ride that for a week, see if he really wants one. Second major thing, since I brought up the Budweiser truck, I've gone 2 months, over 60 days without drinking any beer or alcohol in general. So I don't know, I think it's pretty cool. I don't think it's a coincidence, but my wheelies have also gotten better too on the KLX. Got the clutch fixed on it, so now it's like grabbing in second and it's not slipping trying to pop it up. Second gear clutch up's coming soon. I haven't done like an actual like vlog style video in a while. I figured hopping on the Grom would be the perfect bike to do that and, you know, talk about not drinking, because it's pretty cool. It feels good. I had a problem. It wasn't so much I liked getting drunk. It was more of like something to do. And what I mean by that is I used to work second shifts and third shift at a factory for like 4 years. And when you get off work at 11:30 at night and all your buddies are asleep because it's fucking midnight on a fucking Tuesday or whatever, there's not much to do except, I don't know, get some beer and play some video games. So that's what I did. I would get beer and play video games. That became an everyday thing. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that up and I guess share that. I mean, it's been 2 months and I haven't had a sip. I haven't wanted any. I haven't thought about getting any. It really has been pretty easy to just not do it. God, look at this. All the fucking beer trucks are out talking about this stuff. I don't know where the fuck I'm going either. Because, dude, they're just in the middle of the road stopping. Look at this. Look how wide this guy is. What do you... Oh my God, bro. Are people this bad at driving? What the fuck? Bro, there's no way, dude. It keeps getting worse. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think it's pretty cool. Oh, look at this race car, dude. I think it's wicked fast. Oh my God. Whoops, I stalled it. I'm kind of looking for like Groms in places they shouldn't be. Whoa. Bro, look at all this cardboard. That's a lot of cardboard, brother. Ain't really throwing it up yet, you know? Skirt. Oh God damn. Damn, that was my bad, Garrett. I did not see that at all. All right, don't put the feet down. Don't put the feet down. Nice. I'm so excited to have this bike for a week. Like, you guys have no idea. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do like Grom vlogs for a while, like since I started YouTube. And I know I've got videos on a Grom, but it's not the same. Brother. Brother, do they wave at the Grom? Yeah! The Harleys wave at the Grom. But they don't really wave at the KLX, dude. I gotta be honest. I get waved at by Harleys like 20% of the time, bro. What is that? What a church. Oh man, there's cops right there too. Dang it. Ain't having any fun over here, I guess. Just cruising. Ew, keep going straight, dude. Slim Chickens is ass. I hate Slim Chickens, dude. I hate it. It's so gross, dude. Go to Zaxby's. There's another cop right there, damn. Why are they all out in downtown today, man? I'm trying to be a hooligan. They gonna see me? Thank you. Dude, there's an old ass vending machine. What the hell? I wonder if that works. Calling it right now. I'm losing $1. Dang, it don't work. Which was worth a shot, you know? Come on, man. That's another reason I like having this for a week, is I really want to get good at these slow wheelies on the Grom. Oh no! We out, boys. I hope he didn't look over and see that. I don't know if he saw it, but another cop went by. Excuse me, coming through. Me, me. It smells like weed back here. I'm trying to get a little hit, won't you share? I'm making the pass, I'm making the pass. Woo! We're like jigsaw on the highway past the semis. That's like some evil build looking shit right there, dude. That is a villain's lair. Oh! I had it that one day at the lot, but I put a lot of practice in. I ain't been out there with it since, so. It's been a while since I've been back here, man. There might... Oh my God! I can't believe that. What the fuck? I can't get it now. Pull it right here. Hold up. Bro, I can't believe I just had my phone out. That's funny. Oh. There's a KLX! Somehow, there's always one in my video. Are they building a road around there? Prepping to expand it or something. Oh, I wonder if it's sod. I bet it's sod. Because that grass is like... Bro, there's a Black Hawk. Bro, I want to get a picture of it. Oh, dude. Hold up. We gotta catch the landing. Oh, I love aviation, bro. I'm such a nerd for aviation. Hell yeah, dude. Little, what is it, like a Piper or something? I don't know. That's so cool. Hello. Damn, what up, girl? Bro. There's the medical helicopter they use. Can't really see that Black Hawk from here. I think he's about to take off though. I think he's prepping. We gotta get over there. Oh, he's prepping it. Dude, this is cool. I wonder how long it takes for them to actually take off. Like all their pre-flight checks and shit, which they're doing now. Hell yeah. Oh, look at the little Cub landing too. That's so cool. Fuck, I need to get going. I don't think we're gonna be able to see them. I just saw the time. I gotta go. What a bummer. Come on, man. Uh-oh. Am I in a good spot to see the touchdown? Yeah. The helicopter. Dude, the Blackhawk's moving. No, he's going the other way. No, damn it. Oh, I'm missing the... Oh, I'm failing as a cameraman. A little more, a little more. Oh, butter, dude. Oh, this is cool. There's signs all over the city that we have a sister city in Japan. So that's cool as shit. Also, year I was born. So, good year. Oh, no, I see him over there. Dang. You think they want to see a wheelie, dude? Whoops. Well, guys, I don't know how much battery I have left, so I'm gonna probably end it here soon. But I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, we got the Grom for a week. So we're gonna make some Grom vlogs. We're gonna be out in the lot. We're gonna be practicing those foot down wheelies every day for the next week. It's gonna be good. If you guys do like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more. And hopefully we'll see you on the next one. If we do, I love you and peace. I'm out.